here on Memory Lane Garage, we're back. We've been working on this Jeep. We bought this 1948 Jeep. We got it running. We did a lot of work to it. I got videos of that. If you've been following me, you know what we've been working on this Jeep quite a bit. We're about ready to put the wheels and tires on. And to do that, I'm going to use this DeWalt tool. So it's a DC F899 half-inch battery driver. 20 volt battery, rechargeable batteries. And these have been really nice for our shop. We just purchased this one not that long ago, and it's been really handy. You can take this outside the shop and use it just kind of anywhere, just because it's battery. We have the airline ones, and they're limited on how far you can use them because you got to run it off the air. We use them quite a bit when we're in the shop, but this has really come out to be nice for us. It's 20 volt, guys. It's got a lot of power. We use it in our shop a lot, and it's just really handy for us. You can use it in and out of the shop. I run impact sockets on them. I bought these from Craftsman back when Sears was Sears. I think Lowe's carries Craftsman now, but bought these way back in high school. They've been a nice set for me. I got a metric and a standard for them. So Memory Lane Garage, we're going to be putting these wheels on pretty shortly. You can follow me on that, and we'll be getting this Jeep going down the road. So thank you again for watching. We're going to tighten these down. So I use my DeWalt 20 volt impact driver, 13/16 impact socket, and got the passenger front wheel and tire on. I'm going to hand tighten these to make sure that they are snug, because you don't want the wheel falling off when you're driving it. We're going to go over to the driver's side, and the reason why I'm going to video this side, because this side's the left-handed side, the other side was right-handed threads. These are left-handed threads, so I got to reverse my drill and go to the left. But that's the way Willys are. So instead of go tightening right, I'm tightening left. I'm just snagging them down. And then we're going to put some power on it. One more time. Okay, tires and wheels are on the front. We're going to do the back. I won't video that. And we'll be getting off these jack stands. We still got to put the caps on here. We'll show that in a minute. But thank you for watching. All we got, where's to get the jacks out? Away from the body. Now to double check our nuts, Remember, these are left hand. They're going to be good. I'm just going to do a couple of them. Good. You never know if your battery's weak.